Council 8.0 Techno Bengal Institute of Technology. I am Gagana Sharma from BCA second year. Warmly welcome all respected dignitaries, faculty members and students present here. Your power is not something that is going to be revealed at some later date. It is revealed the moment you decide to step into it. Today we are gathered for a workshop on AI through the human lens, understanding and building ethical practical AI products. The Ministry of Education, Government of India is continuously working towards making innovation and entrepreneurship a core focus of our education system. With this vision, the Institution Innovation Council IIC was established to nurture creativity, problem solving and startup culture among students and faculty. In this journey, artificial intelligence AI plays a crucial role transforming industries, enhancing decision making and helping ideas evolve into impactful real world solutions. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we think, we work and solve problems by enabling machines to learn, reason and make decisions intelligently. It plays a key role in innovation across fields like healthcare, education and industry. The Institution's Innovation Council IIC encourages a culture of creativity and entrepreneurship among students and faculty. By promoting startups, research and problem-solving initiatives, IIC helps bridge the gap between the ideas and real-world impact often powered by emerging technologies like AI. We are thankful to our distinguished speaker, Mr. Bhagya Sarangi sir, who will be sharing his thoughts on AI. So we are really grateful for your presence today. We are truly honored to have with us our President of Institutions Innovation Council 8.0, Professor Dr. Arpita Chakraborty ma'am, whose visionary leadership has been an inspiration to all of us. Ma'am, we are grateful for your presence today. Now I would request to come up to you to give us a brief overview about today's event.
Very good afternoon to all my dear students, my dear colleagues and our distinguished delegates of today. As you know, you have assembled today for the program under the banner of Institutions Innovation Council. Do you know the term IIC? In short, we call it IIC. Have you heard of this term IIC? It's a Ministry of Education's initiative. Under this IIC banner, actually throughout the year we promote different type of innovative walkings like arranging workshops, seminars, poster making competitions, debate competitions, many different types of activities throughout the year we conduct. And you get to know about those through the posters, different posters. Are you there in the group, associated group, in the IIC group? If you are not, then few students are there, might be there. So I would request all of you to join there, because under this umbrella, the Ministry of Education, that they also try to promote the innovative culture. All of you students are actually very green and young-minded, right? So you must be full of energy and so many thoughts you are having. So they think that all the students individually, you are having so much potential. So why don't you invest your potential? Why don't you engage yourself into making something fruitful for our country, for the nation? And as we find that since its inception, means from the IIC very first, from the IIC 1.0 edition, IIC is promoting these things, and throughout the India, all the colleges, universities, even technical, non-technical institutes are also participating in this type of activities. So it is not only restricted within the territory of engineering colleges only, right? All the students have some innovative mindset. Maybe the students are from BBA, maybe the students are from BCA, maybe the students are from arts college even. But they are having their own innovative ideas. So come up with your innovative ideas to solve the daunting problems, the pressing problems of our society. That is the motto of the IIC, that is the motto of ministry. And this year we are celebrating, rather the ministry, all the means throughout the India we are celebrating this AI Summit. You may be heard of this term, AI Summit, AI for Atmanirbhar Bharat. This is the logo for this year, this is the motto for the Ministry of Education, and we are trying to spread that vibe amongst our students. So what is AI? It's not a buzzword. The anchor has wonderfully mentioned about it. that AI, artificial intelligence, is no more a buzzword nowadays. Everywhere, in every domain, every aspects of our life, we find that uses of AI, starting from your smartphone. In every, so many apps are there where AI is being used. So AI, and few are also threatened that whether our jobs will be lost or not. So it's for good for the human beings, for the mankind or not. So many questions are there, but trust me, believe me, AI is just for empowering us. The way computers are there to empower us, to help us for the different type of processing, calculating jobs. Similar way, AI is just to help us. Okay, so nothing to worry, and AI is providing us different avenues of works even. So as the speaker is already here, I would not waste much time. Rather, we will listen to him, and we'll come to know hopefully that so many different avenues where you can explore, whether many explorations have been done, and how can you explore further. Okay, and through IIC, we are promoting the similar things. We are conducting several workshops, different competitions, and many hackathons are also there, Smart India Hackathon like. So I would request all the students to take part in different types of activities. If you have any innovative ideas, if you want some seminars, any technical talks, then request your Vice President ma'am, Professor Dr. Antara Sengupta Sen ma'am is here, and many other professors also here. So put your request to us, and we will definitely try to organize those things for you, because this IIC is to foster the innovation, right? So we hope that you will enjoy today's session, and also you will take part in different types of activities of IIC. Will you?
Yes,
Yes? A bigger noise I want.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your view with us. Now I will request the Vice President of Institutional Innovation Council, who is also the HOD of BCA Department, Professor Dr. Antara Sengupta ma'am, to kindly address the gathering and share a few words, please.
A very good afternoon to all the dignitaries and my dear students present here. I am privileged to be present over here for this great occasion, and this event is so much precious and special for me in the sense, in two senses. That first is this is the first occasion, first event is being organized here in this campus of IIC 8.0. Because lots of events have been taken place in the main campus, that is in Bantala campus, but here the first event is going to be organized first. And second thing is that the speaker, today's point of attraction, Mr. Bhagesh Sherogi, he was my student during his post-graduation degree, you know. And I have found him during the class, during the lectures period, he was actually a very silent observer and great absorber. And so much obedient. And the main point is, he is very much disciplined and always try to be perfect in his profession. So those are the main qualities of him. And our great student that time also and now also, he is very much obedient to us, and still now he is my student actually. Right? Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I hope the best wishes. I extend my best wishes to all of us for the great event. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for insightful words. Now a special and heartfelt welcome to our guest mentor and industry expert, Mr. Bhagesh Sherogi sir. Your presence today is truly inspiring for all of us who aspire to explore AI through human and ethical lens. Mr. Bhagesh Sherogi sir is a technical architect of Cognitive AI Lab in Tata Consultancy Services with over 9 years of experience in the cognitive AI domain. With his postgraduate education MCA, he was involved in research-oriented activities which helped him start his journey as a researcher in computer vision domain at the Indian Statistical Institute. Being a IIT Madras alumni MTech, his expertise evolves around machine learning, deep learning and generative AI-related technologies. He has also made contribution to the field co-authoring several research papers. His collaboration with international research groups further broadens the overall exposure. He excels at designing and deploying scalable enterprise-grade AI solutions that address complex and real-world challenges. Now I would request to call upon Sriparna Khara and Anshika Verma to felicitate him with the flower of bouquet.
First of all, are you getting the point why AI is coming into picture? First question. Why AI is coming into picture? Have you understood this? Yes, no. If no, then it's a no. Why are you so afraid? Is because of faculties? Yes, no, we can ask them to. Then will you be comfortable talking more? Yes or no? Because when I used to be student, I also used to be afraid of faculty, right? If I give some wrong answer, they'll